Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make yuzu daikon. Yuzu daikon is daikon pickles flavored with yuzu citrus. It takes 2 days to make it, but the process is very easy. And it can last like a week or so the pickles for the whole week is covered. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this yuzu daikon, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 1 whole daikon radish, 2 yuzu citrus, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of vinegar. This is wheat vinegar, but you can use rice vinegar instead. Let's peel and cut this daikon radish. Using vegetable peeler, just peel daikon radish. Cut the bottom end and top end off because it's dried out. Cut it into half, and into half. So I have 8 discs like this. And I'm going to cut it into sticks. Short sticks like this, and let's put them in this freezer bag. Do the same for the rest of the daikon radish. I have all the daikon radish cut into sticks in this bag. Let's add 1 tablespoon salt, seal the bag, and mix it well so the salt circulates all over the daikon radish. Open the bag and push out the air. Like this, and then seal it tight. I'm going to put this in the fridge and leave it overnight. And to avoid any disaster like water leaking out from the bag and making mess in your fridge, I'm going to put this in this dish. So the water will stay in this dish in case of any leakage. Now I'm going to put this in the fridge, and this is all for day 1. See you tomorrow. It's day 2. When you look at the daikon radish I did yesterday, you can see there is a lot of water came out from the daikon radish. By the way, it looks like no disaster happened. Prepare another freezer bag, and I'm going to squeeze the daikon radish and put it in here. So take some daikon radish and squeeze it really well. And into the new bag. All in. And this amount of water came out from the daikon radish. It's a lot. And you don't need this anymore, so you can throw it away. Now I'm preparing yuzu citrus, and I'm going to use the skin too, so let's wash it really well. washed and dried. let's peel the yellow part of the skin. Try not to go into the white part, only the yellow part. Like this, and when you look at the back side of the skin, it's yellow, it's not white. Just keep going and peel all of the yellow part. It's all peeled. Now, let's slice this yellow part of the skin into very, very thin, needle-thin strips. Like this, all of it. It's smelling so good. Okay, let's put it into the back of daikon radish. Now, the juice. So prepare a bowl and a strainer. Cut the yuzu citrus into half this way. And let's squeeze it in here to remove the seeds. And let's put the juice into the bag. One cup of sugar, 1 cup of vinegar, seal the back and mix. Then open the back a little bit, push out the air as much as you can do. Seal it tight. Back into the fridge, leave it another night and yuzu daikon is ready. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Yuzu daikon is a side dish, so let's put it here. Plain rice here, vegetable miso soup or any miso soup you like here. Yuzu daikon is very refreshing, so I think I can have something rich and heavy for the main dish. So how about cheese katsu? For the other side dish, I want to add something green to the meal. So let's have spinach gomae. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!